Flat Belly Fix Review. Can Todd Lamb help you get a flat belly? You're about to one of the most brutally honest, extensive reviews of Flat Belly Fix by Todd Lamb. Todd has made a few of the generic claims that you'll hear on the majority of weight loss products. First, he claims that Flat Belly Fix will help you lose your lower stubborn belly fat in just 21 days. He also says that Flat Belly Fix contains an ancient spice that converts bad fat into good fat that actually burns calories. Not only that, but he also says that it will help you to experience the following benefits. Rapid weight loss without side effects. Transform your metabolism from sugar burner to fat burner. Improve your sex life. Improve your hair and skin health. Boost your thyroid so you can burn fat faster. Much more. Let's see if Todd Lamb's product is something that's worth your time and money investment. BTW, I'm not an affiliate for Flat Belly Fix. Just so you're aware, the team here at HealthVi isn't affiliated with Todd Lamb or his Flat Belly Fix product. We dedicate this site to providing you with real, honest, entertaining reviews that inform you of the sea of fluff there is in the health and fitness market. We have one goal in mind: help you save money by not purchasing expensive, fluff-filled products. Instead, we guide you in the direction of affordable products which deliver quality health and fitness advice to you. Flat Belly Fix Review in 15 seconds or less. I was quite excited about seeing Todd Lamb's name